binary operation. Let G be a non-empty set. An operation asterisk defined on G is said to be a binary operation on G if for every pair of elements A can be element of G, the product A asterisk be element of G. In this case, we say that G is closed under the binary operation asterisk. So, ang sabi ng definition na to, masasabi daw natin na binary operation si asterisk kapag kumuha tayo ng kahit anong dalawang elements ni G, tapos ginamit natin tong asterisk, inoperate natin yung dalawang elements na to, ang lumabas ay element pa rin ni G. Okay? So doon masasabi daw natin na yung G ay closed under the binary operation asterisk. So ang tanong muna, paano ba gumagana yung binary operation? So naka-general tong binary operation, so i-define muna natin to. Halimbawa, we have G equals the set containing 1, 2, 4, and 5. And then, let's say, A asterisk B. So, ito yung magiging definition ng binary operation. So, let's say this is A plus 2B. So, ibig sabihin nito, kapag kumuha tayo ng kahit anong element ni G, and inoperate natin siya using the asterisk, so ito yung magiging resulta niya dapat. Okay? A plus 2B. So, let's try to evaluate. So, let's say, number 1, 2 asterisk 5. So, as you can see, kinuha ko yung dalawang elements ng G. Okay? So, 2 asterisk 5 by definition ng ating binary operation dito. So, this is simply A plus 2B or 2 plus 2 times 5. So, yung nagsilbing A dito, yung 2, yung B, yung 5. Okay? And this is 2 plus 10 or simply 12. Next, how about 3 asterisk 1? So, dito, masasabi natin na let's call it undefined, no? Or not possible. Let's make it not possible na lang. Okay, bakit? Kasi, hindi naman tayo kumuha ng nasa loob ni G. So, yung 3 wala naman sa loob ni G. So, dapat ang kukunin natin yung mga nasa loob ni G. Okay? So, number 3, ang tanong ay, is asterisk a binary operation on G? Operation on G. Okay? So, ibig sabihin nito, kapag ba kumuha tayo ng dalawang elements ni G, ang palaging magiging sagot kapag kinuha natin yung A asterisk B ay still element pa rin ni G. Okay? So, ngayon, pag sasabihin kong no, so dapat mag-provide ako ng counter example. Okay? So, the answer is no. Ngayon, hindi ko na kailangan mag-provide ng counter example. May isa na ako dito sa number 1. Okay? So, as you can see, kumuha ako ng 2 tsaka 5. Ang lumabas ay 12, which is hindi naman element ni G. Okay? Now, so another example, let's say our G is equal to Z. And then, let's define A asterisk B equals A plus B. So, ibig sabihin ito ay ordinary addition. Ordinary addition. Okay. So, ito bang asterisk ay binary operation ng Z set of integers? So, the answer is yes. Bakit? Kasi, for any or for all AB element of Z, yung A asterisk B, pag pinag-add mo yung dalawang integers, this is always an integer. Okay? So, Z is closed under ordinary addition. Ibig sabihin, yung ordinary addition, it is a binary operation on Z. Okay? So next, how about, let's say, G equals R inverse. O no, R minus. So ano ibig sabihin nito? R minus. Ibig sabihin yung mga negative real numbers. Okay? And then let's define A asterisk B equals A minus B. So ang tanong, ito bang ordinary na subtraction? Ordinary subtraction. Is this a binary operation on R minus? Okay? So if we have, let's say, AB element of R minus, okay, and let's say A is greater than B, okay, then A asterisk B equals A minus B is positive kasi A is greater than B, tama? So this means ito, hindi siya element ni R minus kasi yung R minus laman niya mga negative real numbers. Pero itong A minus B, positive ang lalabas dyan. Okay? Therefore, R minus is not closed under ordinary subtraction. Okay? So yun. Let's try G equals, let's say, set of integers and then asterisk. And then, let's say A asterisk B equals A over B. Now, ang tanong dito, ano ba tong Z asterisk? Ang Z asterisk, ibig sabihin yan, set of integers pero wala yung zero. Okay? Set of integers not including zero. So meaning, kapag nag-divide tayo, imposibleng mag-undefined to. Okay? Now, ang question is, binary operation kaya ito? Okay? Now, let AB be element of Z asterisk. Magbibigay lang ako ng example dito, no? Let A equals 2 and B equals 3. So, kahit isang example lang, pakita ko na hindi to binary operation. Okay? So, then, A asterisk B equals A over B, and that is 2 over 3. And as you can see, yung 2 over 3, hindi naman siya integer. So, this is not an element of Z asterisk. Therefore, yung asterisk natin, given asterisk, is not a binary operation on Z asterisk. Or Z asterisk is not closed under ordinary division. Okay? Or is not closed under these asterisks. So this binary operation. Okay? Now, baka ma-misinterpret natin, ito bang asterisk na given natin, is this a binary operation if we have A over B? So the answer is yes, it is still a binary operation, but it is not a binary operation on Z asterisk. Okay? Because Z asterisk is not closed under this binary operation. Okay? Now, let's have our last example. Halimbawa, meron tayong set na S. Let's say we have set S. Let's define it as the set of quadratic, wait, ba't may lumabas na makalinkyo? Okay, so let's erase. Okay, so let's say we have set S, the set of quadratic polynomials, with real coefficients, and then let's say our asterisk be defined as the usual addition of polynomials. Okay, now, so let f and g be element of S such that f, or let's say f of x is equal to a sub 2 x squared plus a sub 1 x plus a sub 0. And then let's say g of x is equal to b sub 2 x squared plus b sub 1 x plus b sub 0, where a sub 1 or a sub 2, b sub 2, a sub 1, b sub 1, a sub 0, and then b sub 0 are all elements of the set of real numbers with a sub 2 be not equal to 0 and b sub 2 not equal to 0. So, bakit hindi sila equal sa 0? Para mag-maintain siyang quadratic, no? Okay, kasi pag nag-0 yan, magiging linear na. And then we have this condition na real coefficients sila. Now, ang tanong dito, so ang binary operation ba, yung usual addition of polynomials, is this a binary operation on S? Okay. Now, to answer this question, magbibigay lang ako ng counter-example because to me, this asterisk is not a binary operation on S. So meaning S is not close under the usual addition of polynomials. Paano? Okay. Na if yung a sub 2 natin is equal to negative b sub 2. So meaning same sila ng magnitude pero magkaiba lang sila ng sign. So halimbawa, yung a sub 2 natin ay 5 and then yung b sub 2 natin negative 5. Okay? So yun. Same magnitude but magkaiba lang sila ng sign. And then gagamitan mo ng binary operation, usual addition. So ang mangyayari dito, mag-a-add tong a sub 2 tsaka b sub 2. At pag pinag-add mo to, magkaiba lang sila ng sign, ang lalabas ay 0. Okay? So, kapag kinuha mo yung f plus g, hindi na siya pasok sa s. Okay? Kasi magiging linear na lang siya. Or posibleng maging constant na lang, no? Kung yung a sub 1 tsaka b sub 1 ay equal din. And different sign, opposite sign lang. Equal magnitude but opposite sign. Okay? So, hindi siya pasok sa S. So, meaning yung S is not close under the usual addition of polynomials. Therefore, asterisk natin is not a binary operation on S.